Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Arlene and you're on my Chic Purse channel. After long stressful days and nights of packing, of leaving our German house which had been our home for 3 years, the emergency chaos in our hotel room the night before we flew because of sudden surge in my blood pressure, the hassles of flying in the middle of a strict lockdown on a snowy winter day while wearing our masks and disinfecting our seats constantly for 12 hours. We finally landed in the sunshine city of Orlando. And the best part of our trip is we've also been tested COVID negative. Whew, what an ordeal. Well, hello, Mickey. Hello, sunshine. Hello, shorts. It's so nice to be back home. By the way, we are still building our house and currently staying at a hotel just outside the Orlando theme parks, which is a breather for us after a long lockdown in Germany. We've been in lockdown in Germany since December 16th, but I'm not gonna bore you with our travel ordeals. I'm here just to let you know that we are back in the US for good. And to entertain you, I've got some Louis Vuitton unboxing for you all. These items are not on my wish list. I know! Okay, no more rambling. Let's get into it. Enjoy! Of course, our first agenda upon arrival was to get a US phone line. But I somewhat regretting getting this phone. This is an iPhone 12 Pro because of the size. My iPhone 8, which is this white one, fits in the mini pochette perfectly. That's why I never changed phones. I should have picked the iPhone 12 mini. I was amazed by the camera function of iPhone 12 Pro that I failed to consider the size. Oh well, it is what it is. This is a Valentine gift from hubby. I was supposed to get a tote bag which is in my forever wish list, but nope, not a tote bag person. Don't know until when, maybe it will come, but not now. This Petite Malle Souple, this bag makes my heart sing. Now I know why LV lover CC loves this bag so much. Yes, I'm a fan of Caris. Now that we are partially settled, time to binge watch my favorite YouTube channels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye.